I proudly introduce to you our community of over 460 students and counting, representing more than 40 different nationalities. We have provided an excellent educational opportunity to the international community in Yokohama since 2003. At HJIS, we are lucky to have a community of learners who can ask and answer questions and know the value of lifelong learning. As an IB World School, we offer an inquiry-based approach in the early years, preschool through pre-kindergarten, the primary years program, PYP in kilogram grade 5, the middle years program, MYP in grades 6-10, and the diploma program, DP in grades 11-12. We are accredited by the Council of International Schools, CIS, the Western Association of Schools and Colleges, USA, WASC, and the European Council of International Schools, ECIS, which prepares our culturally diverse student body for a lifelong commitment to learning. I am delighted to welcome you to HJIS, where we believe that education is a lifelong commitment. At our core, we are a community of educators and learners who are deeply dedicated to the well-being and success of every student, uniting us with a passion for lifelong learning. We embrace our core values of understanding, respect, and community and follow an American-style curriculum. Our state-of-the-art campus, built in 2019, has modern indoor and outdoor athletic facilities to provide a balance between the academic rigor and the recreational needs of our students. Welcome to HJIS, a small school with a noticeably big heart.